What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing, guys? Let's get into the news. First story of the day is about Google Clips. Google Clips is this weird kind of like clip camera that you can clip onto things or stand it up, and it captures clips automatically all by itself wherever you lay it of things that happen, like action things. And it costs about $249. I've been waiting for this thing to go on sale. It actually went on sale briefly, and now it's back on a waiting list, but it looks like people that were able to order it got release dates of February 27th through March 5th, which is cool. But ultimately, this camera is really interesting. It's really expensive. You get about 3 hours of battery life, 16 gigabytes of internal storage. And like I said, it captures like these little clips. You don't determine when it captures those clips. It does it on its own, as its own algorithm to see action happen. And then as that action starts and ends, that's when the clip begins and ends. And it's, like I said, it's kind of interesting. You've seen some of these clips I've been playing on the screen so far. And you know, that's kind of what it does. It's basically an animated GIF type camera that would, you know, just happen to capture clips when it feels necessary that action or something interesting is happening. So it did go on sale today, $250 if you want to join the waiting list. The link is in the description. And our last story of the day comes from Evan Blass, the guy that leaked huge leaks yesterday for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Official renders of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Some of you are pissed by the big bezels on the side and at the top and the rounded edges and corners and things like that. You didn't like the way it looked. I actually, the more I see it, the more I like it. I'm excited to get the phone. Well, he also leaked the backside where the camera and the fingerprint sensors are, official renders of that, extreme close-ups to give you a better idea of what this looks like. And it's been looking like all the other renders we've seen thus far. You can see on the left-hand side, this is going to be the Galaxy S9 Plus because you're getting a dual camera, and then below that, you get the fingerprint sensor. So I'm loving the fingerprint sensor a little bit, or at least it seems like it is, a little bit lower on the phone instead of being all the way up in the top right-hand corner of the back of the phone. And then on the right-hand picture here, you see is the Galaxy S9 because there's only a single camera on the rear, and then you get the fingerprint sensor below. And then on each on the right-hand side of each camera, you get a flash, and then you also get a heart rate sensor monitor. This is great to see because it goes in line with what we've been seeing with other renders, the dual camera on the S9 Plus and then the single camera on the S9. And then again, if you haven't seen yesterday's video on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus leaks, I will link those in the description down below. They are a must watch to get all the info. We've got all the official specs on there, really everything on the phone, so you definitely want to check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question to you guys is, what do you think of the official, leaks that we've been seeing with the S9 and S9 Plus in terms of specs? What is your, or maybe even hardware, what is your favorite thing about the S9 and S9 Plus? I would say for me, as long as they sound fantastic, it's stereo speakers. I'm excited about that. I don't think I've ever, maybe there has been, I just can't remember, but there's never been stereo speakers on an S9 or a Note 9 phone, or Note phone, I should say. So that would probably be the thing that excites me the most about the upcoming phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you down the road. Peace!